What's up, everybody? I'm Steve Morgan with the Tuning School. We're here at day 2 of the Holley LS Fest 2018 at Beech Park, and we're going to give you a little show and a tour of what's going on today. We've made it to the Show and Shine event. There's a lot of awesome cars and trucks, all kinds of different builds out here. As you can see, you got mini trucks, full-size trucks, Vets, Camaros, anything you can think of. These cars are really awesome. This is a really cool part of the show. We've made it to the Autocross track. So this is where you're going to see anything from fully built race cars to everyday guys out in their stock cars just having a blast. This is also where they do the drift challenge and the burnout challenge. So you can see everybody starting to fill in. It's going to be a good time here today. We're now here at Beech Raceway Park's quarter-mile drag strip. We had a little bad weather come through last night. As you can see, they're working on the track, trying to get it dried up. They're going to have some qualifying racing today, getting in preparation for the finals tomorrow, but they're going to get the track dried off. You can already see the grandstands are starting to fill up here also. They're going to get some racing kicked off here shortly. We've made our way over to the Tuning School sponsored Dyno Challenge. Everyone's loving it here. We've also got behind the Dyno Challenge, we have the Bolt-On Challenge going on. People are starting to pile in, everyone's having a good time. It's an awesome event so far. All right, everyone, we're now at the vendor area, the Midway. You can see tons of people here today. We got another day to go, so stay tuned.